I think cultural exchanges are crucial for a better world. We have been traveling extensively throughout Kerala for the last 3 weeks and found a marvelous people who gave us wonderful hospitality. Hospitality and cultural exchange make a better world. My first time in Kerala was exactly 25 years ago when I met Dr. Mahesh Mangalat. We were boys, and our friendship still lasts after 25 years. And I'm so happy and hope it will last more and more. And wish you all the best for your studies. Thank you very much.